Here's how trust planning can help a spouse with dementia. Hey everybody, I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. If you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, this is something that I'm currently helping one of our clients with. They created a trust several years ago, married couple, and one of the spouses is now beginning to suffer from Alzheimer's. Okay, as you know, that is over time you lose your capacity to make decisions, and you need people to help you. The other spouse, I guess the healthy spouse, is worried about a couple different things. He's worried about the incapacitated spouse making decisions, doing things with finances that they shouldn't do, not intentionally, but because someone takes advantage of them, because they are confused. They're worried about that. They also want to make sure if something happens to them, if something happens to the healthy spouse, that the incapacitated spouse is taken care of. You know, the assets that they have are used for the incapacitated spouse's well-being, for their life. And what I was able to tell them, and this is true, is that a trust really helps facilitate those things in many, many ways. First, you know, when they created the trust, they were both co-trustees. They were both beneficiaries under the trust. So they both had the ability to manage assets in the trust, and they all the assets were then used for their benefit as well. In this case, because the incapacitated spouse understands what's going on over time, they have decided to resign as a trustee of the trust, which means they are giving up authority to manage assets in the trust, to, write checks, to sort of access those assets in that way. They are leaving that duty for now to the healthy spouse. The healthy spouse then has an obligation to help both of them, because the incapacitated spouse is still a beneficiary under the trust. The healthy spouse can do whatever they need to do to help the incapacitated spouse have a great life. If something should happen to the healthy spouse, the incapacitated spouse still alive, at that time, the successor trustee, who they have both agreed to and appointed, will step in and then manage those assets on behalf of the incapacitated spouse. So you have some built-in help there. You have some built-in safeguards. It really makes things a lot easier and cleaner. When people are diagnosed with Alzheimer's, one of the hardest things to do is protect them from themselves, from getting taken advantage of, from sending big checks to random people, to falling for these kind of scams. It happens way, way more often than you would think. And this can help prevent that. Okay, so that's how trust planning can help a spouse with dementia, with Alzheimer's. It can really make a big difference, and has in this case, and it's part of the reason why we do this. All right, that is it. If this helped, that's great. If you want more estate planning and probate tips, like, comment, follow, subscribe, do all of those things so you don't miss any more helpful videos. And if you need estate planning or probate help and you want us to help you, you can go to cmslawfirm.com. That is it for today. I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you. And I will talk to you again soon. See ya.